To function effectively, ESD flooring should be kept as clean as possible. The buildup of dust and residue will act as an insulator, diminishing the rate at which static charge is removed from the body and increasing the potential for charge generation on the surface. Clean the floor by machine scrubbing with a good neutral detergent. Lightly soiled floors may be damp mopped but also should be periodically machine scrubbed. Severe soiling or black markings can be removed using a floor cleaning machine, artificial cleaning pads, or other commercial cleaning methods. Clearwater rinsing is essential after any scrubbing or stripping operation to remove all residual cleaning agent. Initial maintenance. Do not commence wet maintenance for at least 4 or 5 days following installation completion. Never flood the floor during maintenance procedures. Daily maintenance. All ESD vinyl floors require some form of regular buffing. If necessary, maintain the surface of the antistatic tiles by periodically applying ESD waxing. Inspect the flooring regularly for signs of damage, such as cracks, chips, or worn areas. Promptly address any issues to prevent further deterioration. For ESD flooring with copper foil, ensure proper connection to the grounding system. Regularly check the grounding connections to ensure effective electrostatic discharge. By following these care guidelines, you can prolong the life of ESD flooring and ensure its continuous performance in protecting sensitive electronics and preventing electrostatic hazards.